better, paving the way for a surge of last-minute sign-ups, but the initial glitches and delays could mean some enrollees won't be able to use their new policies for days or even weeks.
That's right, and now one major drugstore chain is offering to help all of this.
As we learn more about the retirement of the woman who oversaw the building of the Obamacare website, Wendell Goler is with the president live in Honolulu. Wendell.
John, Michelle Snyder was the chief operating officer of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, responsible for personnel and the budget, and both of those things came under sharp criticism in the botched healthcare.gov rollout. Snyder had actually planned to step down in 2012 after 40 years of federal service, but she was persuaded to stay on by CMS head Marilyn Taverner, who said in a written statement, quote, "She characteristically chose to postpone her retirement from federal service at my request to help me with the challenges facing CMS in 2013. Now, CMS officials say the retirement was Snyder's call, that she was not pushed out, though the president has been repeatedly asked why he didn't fire someone over the botched website rollout. In fact, his former press secretary, Robert Gibbs, even said that heads should roll. On this eve of the official start of the Affordable Care Act, there are concerns that a number of enrollees still haven't gotten their insurance cards or their prescription drug cards. Some insurers are giving people until the end of the month to pay their first premiums. Some drugstores are accepting enrollment forms as proof of coverage. Meanwhile, some Republicans are complaining they can't figure out how much is being spent. Kansas City Jerry Moran says it's in the Jerry Moran says it's in the billions of dollars.
We've asked specific questions of the department about its spending, about how it's paying for things, where the money's coming from, what the success has been, what the testing of the website has been, how things are changing. And the answers that I've received, it took 7 weeks to get any answer, but it's like putting a check in the box without providing any real information.
Senator Moran complains the Department of Health and Human Services is basically making its own spending decisions on Obamacare, though administration officials fear Republicans in Congress would simply defund the Affordable Care Act if they were given that authority. And Senator Moran says he does not support Obamacare, doesn't believe it can be fixed. John?
Wendell Goler traveling with the president in Honolulu. Wendell, thank you. So the botched Obamacare